Do you know the different parts of a plane? Match the parts to their functions. Hala? So it is in part. In one side it has given part, another side it has given functions. Parts. Rudder, cockpit, inlet, engine, landing gear. एपट देइछि functions. Place where the pilot and a co-pilot to कौन आई? Place where the pilot and a co-pilot sit. Control second है B रे देइछि control the direction. C रे देइछि enables the plane to land. D रे powers the plane. E रे देइछि helps to lift the plane. Okay. So read the story of an adventure in the skies. Beth and her brother Jack are on their way to visit their doctor parents who are working in a remote village near the Atacama. Okay. On the way, the pilot of this small four-seater plane becomes unconscious. So unconscious माने कौन? No. चेता है हरेला. Okay, चेता हरेगा. तो पेंसिल नहीं की? And the children are left to cope on their own. Okay, cope means to adjust. Cope on their own. They were left. They were left to cope on their own. So seman nije kemti adjust kar lete na. Eric, are you all right? Beth asked. But the pilot did not respond. He slowly slumped. Okay? Forward. Body The weight of his body leaning against the control stick. तार बॉडी रो वेट पूरा कंट्रोल स्टिक ऊपर पड़िला हला एंड पुशिंग इट फॉरवर्ड ताको पुश करथला आगु को काहा को कंट्रोल स्टिक को सडनली विदाउट एनी वार्निंग देयर प्लेन वाज इन ए steep dive. So dive means it is coming like this. Means vertically. It was going vertically because the control stick was pushed forward. Okay? Control stick was pushed forward. Beth screamed as the noise of the plane pointed downwards. Okay? Beth screamed. Chilela. As the noise of the plane pointed downwards.
Nose of the plane.
Nose माने plane टा एमती गला ना ता nose टा क्वाड को रहबो तळकु. Yes. So nose of the plane pointed downwards. Beth screamed. Okay, Beth चिल्लेला. Beth, help me pull him back. ना Jack कहला. Jack shouted.
कला जे
तू किछि कहब ना केथर कहबी. So Beth help me pull him back. कहला मते ताकू हेल्प कर बाहर करिया को ताकू pull him back. ये जो आगरे या ऊपर पड़ी जाई कहा ऊपर नो से जो कंट्रोल स्टिक ऊपर नई जाई तापर हेल्प मी पुल हिम बैक. ओके ताकू पुल बैक पछू चलिया पानिया को मते हेल्प कर. जैक शाउटेड. Eric is leaning on the joystick. Joystick जो कंट्रोल स्टिक इज leaning ता ऊपर आउजी पड़छि. ओके क्विकली हेल्प कर. बेथ को से कहूची किए कहूची जैक कहूची जैक वाज होल्डिंग एरिक ओके अराउंड द शोल्डर्स से ताको धरिथिला शोल्डर रे ताको धरिथिला शोल्डर है शोल्डर को इसी हाथ में धरिथिला ना सो जैक वाज holding the Eric around the shoulders and was trying to lift him up.
मतलब
Okay, उठेबाकू चाहूतला ताकू हैला lift him up ताकू उठेबाकू हैं the plane was still in a dive से dive एटा होचे हमर dive हम एतबेले एतबेले पानी रे डाइव करंती हम तळु हाई की जांती हैला similarly Jake was sorry the plane was still in a dive and was beginning to shake thorilaani bi dive hela bi shake eta thoribo beginning to shake huh Beth reached forward and grabbed reached forward and grabbed Eric's shoulders and together ଏବେ ଦି ଜଣ ଯାକ ତା शोल्डर को धरले ता कांध को and together she and Jack okay Beth and Jack managed to get his weight away from the joystick so now they could manage to hold him back as Beth struggled to hold Eric up जेमिति बेथ कला स्ट्रगल कला टू होल्ड एरिक अप सो स्ट्रगल टू होल्ड एरिक अप ताको उठे जेक टू होल्ड ऑफ द जॉयस्टिक सो ताको बंद उठेनी स्ट्रगल टू होल्ड एरिक अप ताको उठेनी उठेया को चेष्टा करछि के बेथ तो सेते बेले जेक कोन कला जेक took hold of the joystick she धरला joystick टाको हैला took hold of the joystick टाको सेटा कंट्रोल ले नेला हैला and pulled back on it okay pulled back on it टाको पछू टानला okay hard जोर टानला Gradually, the plane started to level out again. So, gradually, धीरे-धीरे. Gradually means what? धीरे-धीरे the plane started to level out again. So, plane टा धीरे-धीरे पुणी level को आसीगला. सीधा आयगला. Are you okay? He asked her. Okay. After doing it straight, Jake asked her. Jake asked Beth. है ना? But are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. You? ताकू पचला के बेथ पचला ये बेथ कहला yes I am fine and you are you okay also है ना जेक को बेथ पचला okay are you okay also Jack nodded Jack कहला हाँ I am okay I think so he said I am okay except that our pilot is unconscious अरे हम pilot तो पुणे unconscious है इतना हरीच we are still up here still हमें तो landing भी करिने we are still on the sky okay we तोर डाउट हेले कहबो हैला एमती कहना कि बुझी न पले डाउट हेले कहबो हैला मु पढुछु तो so but at least we are up here okay सेतेबेले से कहला कि जेक ए जो सॉरी बेथ कहला at least we are up here I mean we are in the sky and not down there Beth thought Beth कहनी Beth भाबिला not down there means down there means we could have fallen. We could have
fallen.
So, where did you learn to fly a plane? Because Jake has already controlled. Jake could control the planes. He could bring it to a level to fly in fly straight. So Death said to him, okay, where did you what? Huh? Where did you learn? Where did you learn to fly a plane? କୋଉଠି ଶିଖିଲୁ ଏ କାମ? She asked her brother. She knew that he was very interested in planes. ସେ ଜାଣିଥିଲା Beth knew that he was very interested. Jake was very interested in planes, but she had never thought that he would be able to actually fly one. अरे से चलई परियो बोली फ्लाई करि परियो बोली one aeroplane चलई परियो बोली से भाबी नथला हला she had never thought हला surely a real plane in the sky was completely different from a make-believe plane.
Make-believe plane?
Plane means a make-believe plane computer game. Computer game रे भी plane हमें चलांदी है That's a make-believe plane. That is not a real plane. So the real plane in the real sky was completely different. Yes or no?
Yes.
You may control the plane in the game computer, but in the real sky, how can you control? Don't worry about that now, Jake said. Jake कहला जे worry होना. Don't worry about that now. Okay? ମୁଁ କୋଉଠି ଶିଖିଲି ନ ଶିଖିଲି don't worry about that. Jake said. How is Eric? अरे एरिक को पूरा धरिथिलु मु कंट्रोल कला बेले how is he? Beth tried to see Eric's face. Eric's face को देखिला से देखे केन अछि से तापर कहला he is still breathing. तो निश्वास नउची से मरिनी. She said she is still breathing. Breathing माने निश्वास नउची. Okay? She said, but I don't think he is going to be able to land this plane. से कहला ये
प्लेन को लैंड कर पारेनी.
अरे तू तो कहि पारुनु काहे की मझिरे कहूचु कथा. I don't understand you. You want to explain me?
No.
Then? But I don't think he is going to be able to. But I don't think, ମୁଁ ଭାବୁନି ଯେ ସିଏ ଯାଇକିରି he is going to able to. He will be able. ସେ ସମର୍ଥ ହବ. ସେ ପାରିବ. He is going to be able. ସେ to land this plane. ये plane टा तळକୁ ओल्हेबारे से ओके एबल हबो समर्थ हबो. हां मु काई जानि पाउनी. I don't think. Okay, से कहला. तो या कहतुल आंसर या कहतुल no. Why are you telling in the middle? Okay. Oh no, landing is the hardest part of all. Okay, so now they cried, told that landing is the hardest part of all. So I could make the plane straight. That is easy. But landing plane टाको तळको नबाटा बहुत hard. Okay. So Beth tried to wake up their pilot, but apart from a low groan means it is छोटो टिके groan means voice. Okay, low voice, low groan, like cry. So there was no response from him. No response. How किसी से कहला नहीं. Only a small cry he gave. Okay, cry of pain. पेन ताको लगुला सो बेथ ट्राइड टू वेक अप ताको उठेया को चेष्टा कला पायलट को I think we are heading in the wrong direction, Beth said, looking out of the window. Now she said another thing, that they were heading, they are going in the wrong direction. Okay? Hmm? I can't see any villages, because in their direction, they should see villages. Then they are now not seeing villages means they are going in the wrong way. Okay? Jake frowned. Jake frowned at the compass. John खिला the compass. Compass is सब देखा जाए what direction, north, south. Huh? Looking very worried now. है what गलानी plane टा. It is very hard to work out where we are. So work out, to calculate. Okay? Huh? To know where we are present, where we are going. And I am not sure how much fuel we have. And ଯଦି ଆମେ wrong direction ରେ ଯିବା ପୁଣି ଫେରିଲା ବେଳକୁ ଆହୁରି ବେଶୀ ତେଲ ଖାଇଯିବ. So I don't know. I am not sure how much fuel, कितने fuel we have. हमारे कितने fuel अच्छे हैं. Can we use the radio to ask for help? Beth suggested. Beth कहला, can we use the radio? So radio हमें, okay? Help मांगिए कि Beth suggested. Beth कहला, हाँ? हाँ Jake. I don't know how, Jake said. केमती रेडियो रे कथा कहबो मु जानि. रेडियो केमती हेल्प पाइयो. Can you take those headphones off, Eric? तामे ता कान रे जो हेडफोन अछि, हाँ? हाँ? सेठू. Can you bring those? Can you take those? हाँ? ताटू बाहर करी आनी परियो कि एरिक को. एरिक हेला तांकर पायलट. And give them to me. मते दे परियो कि हला एक कथा जेक कहउछि काहबो बेथ. Do you think I should say Mayday? He asked. से आहुरी कहला के जेक कहला जे मु कहिबी Mayday हला कहिबी कि when do you usually say that? एटा पचारला बेथ. एटा बेथ पचारला when do you usually say that? ये जो Mayday केतोले कहंती in an emergency कहंती when you are about to crash. तमरा crash होବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି एरोप्लेन टा खसी पड़िया ଯାଉଛି सेतेबेले कहंती. or if wing comes off, ये जो wing अछि एरोप्लेन रो डेना अछि सेतेबेले बाहर जाए. or if the engine stops working, the engine भी काम करिवा छाड़ी दिए सेतेबेले सब Mayday कहंती. I think this is an emergency, don't you? सेदा कहला ये Beth. I think this is an emergency. एटा तो emergency. अब emergency कौन हैला? Don't you? तू एटा भाबनु कि? Without answering her, Jake pressed the button on the control stick and said, Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. आउ से कहलानी जे एटा आजी इमरजेंसी कि नहीं. से सीधा कौन कला press the button on the control stick. बटन ताको चिपिला. बुझिबछ? control and said कहला कान तो लगे देलानी Mayday, Mayday, Mayday कहला. We are flying somewhere east of Antofagasta. से कहला ये Antofagasta रो गोटे जगह तार ईस्ट पटे हम जाउछु. And then pilot is really sick. Pilot देह खराब हो गला. He can't fly the plane anymore. से आउ କରିପାରିବନି so I am doing it ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଚଲଉଛି but I am not a pilot ମୁଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ପାଇଲଟ ନୁହେଁ I am not even exactly sure where we are I don't also know where we are ହେଲା ଏଇ କଥାଟା ସିଏ କହିଲା ମେ ଡେ କରିକିରି କହିଲା ହେଲା that means he wanted help he wanted help ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ ନା ନାଇଁ okay so he wanted what help so did they answer Beth asked Beth कहला से आंसर देले कि Jake shook his head oh no I just found the fuel gauge I think it is almost empty no so Beth कौन कहला did they answer से माने तुम्हें तो कहलो you said that you help us they answered did they answer से माने आंसर देले कि Jake shook his head Jake कहला कहीं तो किसी आंसर आसलानी shook हलेला head oh no I just found this fuel gauge I think it is almost empty ଏଠୁ ପୁଣି ସେ କହିଲା ଯେ ମୁଁ ତ fuel gauge ପାଇଲିନି fuel gauge it is almost empty okay that means fuel is going to be over end fuel माने कौन ये जो पेट्रोल पड़े ହେଲା ताकू गज टा देखा गलानी से कन्नाडा राइट what are we going to do आमी कौन करिबा Beth asked even if we cannot talk to someone on the radio what can we do जदि हमको केही भी हेल्प कलेनी रेडियो लागलानी ताले हमको what can we do we are too far from any airport ये पाखरे भी एयरपोर्ट नहीं जे हमें ओल्हे दवा we are running out of fuel हमर भी तेल भी सरी गलानी running out of fuel and you don't know how to land a plane also you don't know how to land केमिति भी लैंड करियो भी तुम जाननो कौन करिया Jake did not reply जे कुछ कहलेनी he was going through the radio channels one after another okay going through and saying mayday समस्त से mayday कहला suddenly he sat up a little straighter then he held up his thumb he had made contact ହେଲା से कहीं little straighter एमती थिला स्ट्रेट हे गला कहीं बोध हुए ताकू गोटे मिली गला कंटाक्ट की गोटे धइलानी रेडियो रे ହେଲା then he held up his thumb एमती कला ता माने ये जो हाथ ते कहंदी नहीं ओके नहीं हमें हां जितला बलिया जितला तो नहीं त कहंदी यस पाइले so he had made contact ताकू गोटे मिली गला राइट Jake started from the beginning Jake हेतु कहला पुणी नुआ से कथा कहला and told the person on the radio तो रेडियो रे लोकडा कहला everything that had happened जा हेची what had happened to their pilot how they have managed he listened for another minute or so आउरी गोटे मिनिट सुनिला ताठू as the other person asked some more questions से भी लोकटा भी क्वेश्चन पचला ये भी आंसर देला then Jake turned to Beth and said I think we are going to have to try an emergency landing से कहला हमें emergency landing करिया पड़ियो his face was pale अरे कौन हबो कौन नहीं जाना नहीं so pale हे जाइतला ता फेस माने पूरा मलिन पड़ी जाइतला हैला and he was biting his lower lips एंड करथला lower lips biting हाँ बाइट माने जानछु तो कौन कामुड़ीबा
कामुड़ी
है तापर कौन कला ना मिस्टर ब्राइजन इज गोइंग टू ट्राई एंड टीच मी से कहला मिस्टर ब्राइजन से मते दूररू रेडियो रे कहिरी मत शिखे देबे हैला फॉर द नेक्स्ट फ्यू मिनिट्स बेथ कुड हियर हर ब्रदर आंसरिंग क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम मिस्टर ब्राइजन तो क्वेश्चन पचारथला ये आंसर दोतला आंसरिंग क्वेश्चन ब्राइजन तो सिखौला and he could also tell that he was receiving detailed instructions from the airport. Okay, so I would go Mr. Bryson, and she could also tell that he was receiving detailed instructions from airports. देखो, so the brother कौन करुची ना answer करुची questions from Bryson, and she could also tell that he was receiving detailed instructions from the airport ru भी instruction पाउथला हला केमित करा जिवो then Beth heard Jake say तेणु हेतेबेले पुणी हेतु जेक कहला कौन कहला I think I have seen a good spot कहला से कांको कहता है से एयरपोर्ट वाला को हला I think I have seen a good spot. Thank you, Mr. Bryson. I will talk to you again when we are on the ground. से कहला yes मु बुझी गलेनी मु तळु को ओल्हे देबी आ आमे तळे रहला परे मु तम संगे कथा हेबी हला Jake turned बुलिला and his eyes met Beth को अनेला he told me ये कही ब्राइजन Bryson told me to make sure that you have your seat belt माने हमको सीट बेल्ट पिंधिया पड़िबो ऑन प्रॉपर्ली सीट बेल्ट ऑन हमको पिंधिया पड़िबो प्रॉपर्ली एंड एरिक्स एज वेल एरिक सोइतले भी ताकू पिंधिया पड़िबो हला he said now listen to me Beth बेद को कहला सुन टिके यू हैव टू लीन फॉरवर्ड तू टिके आगु को नइबू as far as you can तू टिके जत्ते पारिबू सेते आगु को टिके नइबू you have to lean put your head on your knees तू नइ की तो मुंडटा तो नी रे लगेबू हला अंठरे and cover your head with your arms. Okay, so बुझिपारछु so cover your head with your arms एमती right अच्छा okay then he said की कहला बेद कहला ठीक है तापरे she said तापरे से पुणी कहला जेक को कहला बेथ कौन कहला जेक should we go say goodbye कहला हमें goodbye कहया की अच्छा he smiled and shook his head there is no need he replied कहला नहीं किछ कहया दरकार नहीं हला के कहला जेक कहला अच्छा Beth put her head on her knees just as he had told her to and waited she जेमती कहदेला सेमती कला and waited अपेक्षा कला she wished she had taken the time to write a note to her parents to tell them that she loved them she आगुरु कौन भाबितला she wished she had taken the time तार टिके टाइम नहीं था to write a note to her parents to tell them that she loved them एटा लिखिया पई जे I love you my parents लिखिया गोटे टाइम नहीं था से भी जानू जे का मरी मुरा जीव बोले she felt the plane shake and slow a little है ना से देखला जे the plane slow हो गलानी and The sound of the engine is changed slightly. ତେଲ ସରିଗଲାଣି sound of the engine is changed. ଟିକେ କମିଗଲାଣି ହେଲା ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଗଲାଣି Jake shouted, remember to keep your head down. ସେ କହିଲା ତୁ ମୁଣ୍ଡଟା ତଳକୁ କରିଥିବୁ ହେଲା ଏମିତି କରିଥିବୁ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଯେମିତି So down Beth. Okay, here we go. ଆମେ ଯିବା here we go ସେ ତଳକୁ ନେଲା hang on Beth. Okay, hold on ମାନେ ଠିକ ସେ ବସ ହେଲା ଏମିତି କହିକି ସେ ତଳକୁ ନେଇଗଲା ଆଉ right. This is over this chapter.